In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate an API key with Lovable AI on the Chrome browser. Whether you're integrating with OpenAI or another third-party service, adding an API key is a crucial step that enables advanced features and functionality within Lovable AI. So let's dive in and walk through this process together. First, ensure that you're using the Chrome browser. This ensures compatibility for the integration process we're about to undertake. Once you've got Chrome up and running, the next step is to open Lovable AI. Take a moment to log in if necessary, and orient yourself around the platform's interface. Once you're in Lovable AI, head over to the Settings or Integrations section. This part of the interface is typically located in the main menu or toolbar, depending on how Lovable AI is currently set up. You're looking for a section dedicated to managing integrations, as this is where you can input your API key. Now let's talk about the importance of this API key. API keys are essential for accessing the capabilities of the service you're integrating with, like OpenAI. They act like digital passports, providing you with entry to a range of powerful tools and functions. So in the API key input section, paste your API key. Ensure that you've copied it correctly from the source. Small typos can prevent the key from functioning correctly, so double check for any extra spaces or missing characters. With your API key securely entered, the next action is to save those changes. You'll need to locate the Save button, which is typically found near the API key field. Once you press Save, the system will commit your key details, allowing you to proceed with your AI exploration seamlessly. Confirmation of this step is crucial, so look for a message or indication that your changes have been successfully saved. After saving changes, it's time to verify the connection and functionality of your new integration. To do this, you should run a sample AI function to test how well the setup is working. This can usually be done by selecting a simple task or command from within Lovable AI. By doing so, you'll be able to observe firsthand the new capabilities that have been unlocked by your API key. Pay attention to how the system responds. If you encounter any issues, you might need to revisit the API key input step to ensure everything is in order. And there you have it. You've successfully added an API key to Lovable AI on Chrome. This small yet pivotal action now opens up a world of possibilities for your AI projects. Whether you're here for creative purposes or problem-solving endeavors, the integration you've just completed paves the way for enhanced interactions with Lovable AI. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful, and remember, there are many more exciting features to explore with your new setup.